top social media platform in the Philippines. And there are a lot of people na nasa Facebook. So meaning, there's a big opportunity na pwede natin matarget yung mga target audience natin on Facebook kasi majority of our population have Facebook accounts.
Facebook is an opportunity, but the execution relies on you. The ideas, the content, the execution, kung paano mo i-follow through sa offline, kung paano mo i-interact dun sa customer, dun sa lead, is up to you. Sa Facebook, tutulungan ka lang nito the first part, pero ang dalawang part, ikaw na.
Emerge Local for this seminar. Actually, we have a lot of takeaway for today, but what the most important thing is that now we understand how Facebook marketing will help our business, our endeavor. The entire presentations of the trainers really inspires us on how to do it, try doing it, and then hopefully we're coming back for more.